Hello dear students, today we will learn Standard 6 subject Art and Craft. Let's start. Next drawing number 8 Still life compositions. So still life compositions means now you have to see any things, okay, and you put as it is and you draw same way. It is called still life compositions. So here giving the title, observe and recreate the composition below. Okay, so here what we'll do, here you can use of, first you can draw this here, this part means this plain part you can draw this, okay, and then after using of black pen means black simply pen. If you have gel pen, then you can use of gel pen or simple pen. Okay, so let's start drawing. First you can draw, how to draw, so in between you can draw this line like this type, okay, 1 and 2 like this type part, okay, so you can draw the easily. So first I can draw lines 1 and 2, whatever you like then you can draw, okay, but like this type you can draw, so easily you can understand, okay. Then after you can start from the here, okay, like this type draw, okay. Then after next is here, okay, like this type you can draw. So dear students, now you can draw like this type, okay. Then after your drawing is over, afterwards what we'll do, you have to rub this line, okay, you rub this line, okay. First lines, see in between both are same way, okay, see. So here this line first rub it and do light, okay. Okay, like this type you can rub this, and then after start, now take black pen if you having gel pen, and if you have simple pen then also okay. So now start, first do border, okay, so here do border, like this type you can do, okay. And then okay, whole you can do black border, first do black border, okay, all this part, Okay, like this type. Afterwards, this also do borderline. See, like this type border is over, then after what we'll do? Now you can use a pencil. No? So first you can rub this. Hold this. Okay. Whatever pencil lines, it rub this. Okay. After, now this part, so this part here, it is of dark, right? So here inside do dark. Okay, then after do lines. Okay, here also dark part. So simply pen you can use also, then also. Okay, and if you using of dark pen, then also means gel pen. Okay, gel pen you have, then if you not having gel pen, then you can using of simple pen. For example, I can using of simply pen, right? See, like this type checks do. Okay, and this part, see. Okay, like this type whole bottle do. Okay, like this type do. Okay, then after second this. So here first what do dark, then after do light. Okay, and draw lines. Okay, like this type. Okay, and this last see, like this type. Okay, after this part, so this part first here. Okay, like this type do, and then here small checks you can do. Okay, okay, like this type. Okay, then after okay, like this type do, and then after checks like slowly checks do. Okay, see, like this type over, then after what we'll do, to start here shadow part. Okay, so first do dark, this border is do properly dark. Okay, then after this part over, little bit over, Then after you have to do like this type checks. Okay, see this type do checks. Okay, like this type shadow do. Okay, so dear students, like this type shade do. Okay, and then after over. So now your drawing is over. Afterwards take pic and sending in my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.